Morning guys, welcome back to Bryans Thailand. Okay, here's the progress on the villa build today, 12th of January. So as you can see, they're doing the pool now. And nearly finished the wall. There's a gap opening there because we've got to get a lot of small stone in for the pathways. So that's coming on champion. Mosaic tiles. This is the tile I'm using for here. It's like a wood effect. It's not nice. All marked out ready. Let's walk inside. I just had to come in yesterday for measure up for the white granite for the tops here. That's where the pump for the irrigation and house water supply and tanks going here, and the aircon down there. Kitchen area. Oh, new worker, new staff. Bathroom, it's one of the stupidest. Here we have a bathtub. Marika, bye-bye, dance the bye, bye non. Okay, again, measure up for the marble for here. Bathtub for here. I have video on YouTube. So I'll show you some of the stuff that we're doing for the landscape. So we're starting to prepare all that now. Okay, so they've dug out the trench ready for the stone wall, retaining wall, so it's the same effect as that. There, here, and here, so it's like two terrace areas. And this is some of the pots that we've got for, there's going to be like a sunbathing area here. These are the pots that we've got for there. And an umbrella stand. Very cute. Getting closer now. Things start to feel like they're slowing down because obviously it's all small detail work. Yes, so it's all ready. So I want a barley mask put up on here, some decorative, some stonework and all that in here, flowers, shrubs and that, drain systems in, water supplies in, electric supply. Bạn ơi.
ไปไม่ได้ไปทางนู้น
Okay, okay, come. Can go that way, so let's go round. Now the crazy dog. Oh,
นอนในรถเลยไปนอนเลย
I just don't trust that dog. And here we have the bally masks. Like a statue of the Christmas Island. Put another one in there. We've got these bally tiles, black, for the infinity edge. Giọt.
ขอทานหน่อยครับ
Tạm sắp ơi. นิดหน่อย นี่เห็นเล็กมาพรุ่งนี้เห็นเล็กมาพรุ่งนี้ใช่นี่เมื่อวันนี้รถชนติ๊กต้องนิดหน่อยคุณนิดเดียว
พรุ่งนี้ผมหยุด1 วัน
หยุดใช่ไหมโอเค
ไปงานศพศพญาติเผาพรุ่งนี้
เผาผีฝรั่งกลัวผีไหม
ไม่ฝรั่งไม่กลัว
ฝรั่งไม่กลัวผี
ชอบผีนี่รู้คนไทยกลัวผีใช่ไหม
คนไทยกลัวผี
ทำไมไม่อันตราย
กลัวผีหรอ
ผีไม่อันตราย
น่าจะลายขนหลอกจะลายกว่า
ใช่ถูกต้อง The Thai says in they fear ghosts, so the ghosts don't hurt you, just the living.
ย้าออกมานอนได้เลย
So now they're just setting out the terrace for the next property. We've got plot 2 and plot 3 here. There's a guy buying the 2 plots to put one house on, 500 square meters. Yeah, 500 square meters. We've got another one across on VIP 3, which is over 1,000 square meters. So that's going to be one big house. So I'll just show you from here, this way. I absolutely love this stone wall. So you can see there all the terrace land on the next houses. Good thing about this one, there's actually zero maintenance once it's finished, because there's no paint to do, no cracks to repair. We had rain yesterday, the ground's really soft, so I'm sinking as I'm walking. Yeah, so the guys are off tomorrow, so I can get all the small stone in, which was due yesterday, but I had a problem with the truck. This area is going to be the shower for the swimming pool. So after you swam, you know, you come and shower off, get all the chlorine off you. And here I'll show you the black barley tile that we're doing here. So inside here it's all going to be this tile, all the way down and inside here, and then from here down, here and down, that's all going to be the same as that stone wall. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. So I can't wait to get the landscape done. It's going to look absolutely amazing. And you see we've got drainage there. There's actually drainage all the way around the house. And the yellow pipe sticking out, that's the electrical supply for the lighting. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.